Hi friends, welcome to my video. Working as a florist, I've been having situations when customers been coming to me and asking about flower kinds and their meanings. They do have a meaning and I did some research on this topic, so I would like to share it with you. Without further ado, let's start with sunflowers. Beautiful sunny flower. The meaning of sunflowers is long-lasting life and happiness. Sunflower season is summer, and it is the season when they're in bloom and in their best size. Let's go to another flower, and it actually has different names. It's cushions, daisies, or pompons. The meaning of these flowers is childbirth and new beginnings. It is purity and cheerfulness. So if the customer comes in and they're gonna ask a bouquet for a newborn baby, you can feel free and use these flowers in your bouquet and share the meaning that you put into the bouquet with your customers. Another flower kind I would like to share with you is spray roses, and here meaning changes with the color. So let's start with yellow. Yellow means happiness, get well, and friendship. Red means romance and love. Lavender means love at first sight, and baby pink means purity. With this knowledge, you are going to be more conscious and not only think about how the bouquet looks, but also about the meaning. And the meaning is the most important thing in the world, because flowers is something what people give once in a year, or maybe even once in 2 years, or once in a while. So make sure you do it with love. Let's go to another flower kind, and it is carnations, and they actually have different meanings in different cultures. In post-Soviet Union countries, carnations have meaning of death and sadness, and most of the florists use this flower for funerals. However, in China, carnations are gifted for Mother's Day, and most of the people from China are getting these flowers for mom. Next in our list is lilies, and lilies are used for funerals mostly in Canada, but they have the meaning of purity and fertility. Of course, the last flower, which I called the queen of flowers, is rose. In all cultures, roses are associated with love and romance. There's also different meanings depending on the color, but I'll talk about this in the next video. Thank you for watching and joining me in this journey. I will see you soon again.